Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another quick video. I'm going to give you 3 important tips that you can use on LinkedIn to increase your chances of getting an interview call and getting a job in the data analyst space. The first point is try to follow the people with large accounts in your space, see what kind of post they are doing, try to mimic them. You could also follow people who are at the same stage as yours. Let's say someone who is looking for a job who has similar followers, see what they are doing, try to mimic their content strategy. If you don't really have a clue, start posting on LinkedIn, start sharing your knowledge. This can help you increase your engagement and reach and potentially lead to interview calls. The second approach that I personally like is to make a list of all possible recruiters in your field from the different companies and try to send a proper cold message in a specific format. For this, you can definitely try mailing like 100, 200 people in their inbox. Of course, the reply rate is very low, but definitely even if one or two get back, you can pitch your portfolio properly. On top of that, always make sure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date. You put your GitHub or portfolio link at the top of your page and clearly communicate if you're actually looking for a job right now, are you open to work. The third point that I feel can also make a huge amount of difference is trying to find startups in the space that you want to work in for the particular role. Let's say you select a food delivery startup that is pretty small. You can go through their website app and find some specific issues that you face. Maybe do a data analysis based on this. Use some Python SQL on some kind of dummy data and showcase what you can actually do for this company. Proof of project can help, especially with startup founders. They would like it. So at least this will give you an entry in the door and that first experience in the data analyst space. I hope you enjoyed some of these tips. I'm also linking a video that I have put very long back where I talk about 5 possible LinkedIn post strategies that can help you increase your reach and also expand your network. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the points I've given. Stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.